Good afternoon, Mirabel members. I'm coming to you today in this beautiful 90-degree weather that we're finally experiencing here in Scottsdale, and I'm here with your weekly construction update. Baseboards and paint have been applied in the men's massage area. Millwork has been installed in the men's shoe room. Millwork has also been installed in both the ladies' massage room and vanity area. The kitchen is in its final button-up and cleanup stage before the inspection. Fire suppression has been installed throughout the new build. Windows are being installed in the new fitness center expansion. The mysterious water feature at the club entrance is beginning to reveal itself. Please continue to monitor the progress on our project on our live webcams. Thank you.